You've been looking up, but you've been looking in the wrong direction. For decades, we've scanned the skies for UFOs. But a growing body of evidence, declassified naval reports, and contested scientific data suggests the biggest secret is hidden just miles beneath the surface. This isn't just about lights in the sky. This is about USOs, unidentified submerged objects, tracked by the Navy, performing maneuvers that defy known physics, often near the deepest places on Earth. This is the submerged truth. In this video, we dive into the most compelling acoustic and visual evidence suggesting these objects aren't just visiting the ocean, but basing there. And we'll show you why a seemingly debunked sound called the bloop might be the key to finding an ocean portal. We begin in 1997, where a sound louder than any known creature was captured by US Navy hydrophones across the Pacific. Scientists at NOAA named it the bloop. Initially, this ultra-low-frequency noise was so powerful and unique, it birthed theories of colossal, unknown marine life. For years, it was the definition of an unexplained anomaly. Eventually, NOAA offered a compelling debunking. The bloop was an icequake, the sound of a massive iceberg fracturing. But for many researchers, the full spectral analysis of the sound contains features that don't neatly align with a simple icequake. They argue the official explanation only addresses the volume, not the complexity. This small gap in the data is the first sign that our deep-sea knowledge is incomplete. But a sound anomaly is one thing. Physical evidence of technology defying physics is another. For decades, the world's navies have been tracking USOs, unidentified submerged objects. These aren't just erratically moving blips. We're talking about craft that can travel hundreds of knots underwater, then immediately transition to air. As military personnel have confirmed, these objects exhibit trans-medium capabilities and can perform maneuvers that generate zero cavitation, the bubble trail that should form around any fast-moving object in water. This isn't just advanced tech. It's an absolute breakdown of our known physics. The working theory for the military is that these USOs are using the ocean's vast, dark volume as a protective buffer, a hidden staging ground. But where are they basing? The answer lies in the deep sea floor itself. In 2011, an ocean exploration team in the Baltic Sea found the visual evidence that conspiracy theorists had been waiting for: the Baltic Sea anomaly. Sonar picked up a massive circular object, nearly 200 feet across, resting on the seabed. It wasn't just round. It featured what appeared to be unnaturally straight walls, right angles, and even what some called a staircase leading to an opening. Scientists quickly offered geological explanations: glacier deposits, basalt rock formations. But proponents of the alien base theory argue that a geological feature does not leave a 1,500-foot-long drag trail behind it. The question isn't what it is, but who could build something so geometrically precise and sink it to the bottom of the ocean? This evidence is exactly what fuels the most dramatic theory of all. If a civilization wanted a base on Earth, the Mariana Trench is the perfect fortress. The pressure is crushing, the light is non-existent, and it's effectively sealed off from human intrusion. It's the ultimate base of operations. But why are USOs and acoustic anomalies so often reported near these deep trenches? This is where the ocean portal hypothesis takes hold. This theory suggests that the craft we're seeing aren't necessarily built in the trenches, but are emerging from them. Proponents argue that the deep ocean's extreme geological hotspots, the volcanic vents and rift zones, could serve as natural or artificial gateways. Think of it. Not a secret alien base, but a trans-dimensional highway ramp into our planet, with the ocean providing the perfect cover. We started by asking if the aliens were in space, and we found evidence of high-speed USOs in our oceans. the acoustic mystery of the bloop, and unnaturally geometric structures like the Baltic anomaly. While science often provides rational explanations, the facts about these deep-sea encounters far exceed the conventional understanding of what's possible. The deep ocean remains Earth's last great secret. And as long as we only explore 5% of it, the possibility remains that the most advanced life forms we'll ever encounter are not looking down on us, but are looking up at us. If this video blew your mind, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the unexplained. And let me know in the comments. Do you believe the trenches are bases or portals? We'll see you in the next investigation.